This footage is taken from an actual UK driving test. On this test, the candidate was currently following a sat-nav. The sat-nav gave the direction, go straight on. The candidate came to this section with the direction to go straight on, meaning they were to go down this road. What do you think the candidate must do? The candidate is leaving the main road, so they must put a left signal on. As the main road is heading in this direction, and the candidate is joining this new road, they must signal to let people know they are leaving the road. The candidate did not put a left signal on and got a serious fault. So, you must put a signal on to warn other road users when you are leaving a road. If you are crossing over paint, you are joining a new road, even if it feels like you are driving in a straight line. The next serious fault was given when the candidate was asked to pull up on the left. They put their left signal on, then drove, and drove, and drove, and drove down the road, with their left signal on, before eventually pulling up on the left. The examiner gave them a serious fault for having a misleading signal. You must be efficient in your actions. Identify the location where you are going to pull up before putting your signal on and pulling up. Be efficient in your actions. Don't just leave your left signal on whilst driving down the road, if it is serving no purpose, especially if you are approaching turns that you are not going down. So, hopefully from this video, you have learned that when you are leaving a road, you must put a signal on to warn other road users. Also, to be efficient with your use of signals. Identify the location you are going to pull up in before putting a left signal on. Do not pass side roads you are not turning down with a signal on. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.